Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video, I will make a very simple but elegant seedbead necklace design. To make this necklace, I will first take 4 pieces brown color and 1 piece sky color seed beads. This time I will give a knot. Now I will take 1 piece brown color seed bead. I will take 1 piece brown color seed bead again. Again I will take 1 piece brown color seed bead. Now I will take 6 pieces sky color seed bead. Friends, hope you will like this necklace design very much. Give a like if you like it and comment how you feel. Now I will take 4 pieces sky color seed beads. Now I will take 1 piece sky color seed bead. I will take 1 piece sky color seed bead again. I will take 1 piece sky color seed bead again. Once I use brown color seed bead and once I will use sky color. Is almost complete. Now I will use seed beads to make a lock for the necklace. To make a lock on this side, I will take 4 pieces sky color seed bead. Now I will take 2 pieces sky color seed bead. We will keep adding 2 pieces sky color seed beads, total of 6 times. the flower. For that, I will take 4 brown seed beads first. Now I will take 2 pieces brown color seed beads. Add 1 piece sky color seed bead and complete the lock design on one side. Design of the lock on the another side. First I will take 5 pieces sky color seed bead. Take 6 pieces of sky color seed beads twice. Now I will complete the design of the lock on the other side by adding the 8 pieces sky color seed bead. like this necklace design very much. Please give a like, don't forget to comment and let us know how you feel. And support our jewelry channel Diyartiepie by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.